To make this delicious delicacy, we'd need some beef and fresh vegetables. Begin by cutting your vegetables and your beef like I'm doing. And be sure to cut along the grain to make the meat become tender easily. Did you know that cutting across the grain of the meat toughens it? Because we are going in for a tender beef sauce, you can cut them like I'm doing. After cutting them up, we are going to add in a little tenderizer. Yes, bicarbonate of soda. Have you ever wondered why your beef sauce at home tastes different from the one in the restaurants? That's because they never make sauce without it. Now put meat into a bowl and add a half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And give it a good mix. And set it aside for 45 minutes before use or leave it in the fridge for another day. Or you could even store in the freezer until needed. When you're ready to use it, bring it out of the fridge and wash it well. Be sure to wash it twice so you don't end up with a salty sauce. Don't jump the steps. After the last wash, be sure to squeeze out excess water. Now let's add in our seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, but keep it simple and tasty. Then add in our ginger, onion, and pepper marinades and give it a good mix. And allow it to marinate for 30 minutes before cooking. Now let's warm up our pan. Add in some oil and put in the meat. Stir fry a little till you see water coming out of the meat. At this point, you'd want to cover it up a little on low heat and allow it to cook. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Adding in a little salt would allow the beautiful vegetables to retain their colors and make them tasty. While the sauce is cooking, let's make a little jollof. Time to add in the vegetables to the sauce. Cut in some spring onions. Let's stir our jollof so it doesn't burn. Let's cover it up on low heat to cook slowly. Our sauce is cooking well and the aroma is out of this world. So at this point, you can add in some water if you want a Chinese sauce, your cornstarch, and your spices to taste. But we are going in for a more thicker consistency today. Checking up on the jollof. Our sauce is ready. Time to add in some crushed rosemary and fennel seeds for extra flavor. You can serve it at this point or allow to cool off and store in the fridge. But for today, join me whilst I dish it with my favorite jollof rice. This is so tasty you'd want to prepare it every week. And if you like healthy home meals like this, join us every week and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.